In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add banner image on collection page in Shopify. Adding a banner image to a collection is a simple way to make that collection feel more polished and branded. It can help shoppers understand what the collection is about at a glance, especially if you choose an image that matches the products inside. Before you begin, make sure you have your banner image saved on your computer and ready to upload. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image that looks good on both desktop and mobile. A wide image usually works best for a banner-style look. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From your main admin menu, navigate to Products, and then select Collections. This is where Shopify lists all of the collections in your store, including both manual and automated collections. Next, find the specific collection you want to update and open it. When you click into a collection, you will see the collection details and settings. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct one, especially if you have multiple collections with similar names. This helps you avoid updating the wrong page. Now look to the right side of the collection page for the section labeled Collection Image. This is the area Shopify uses to attach an image to that collection. Click Add Image. A file picker will open, allowing you to choose an image from your device. Select your banner image and upload it. After the upload completes, you should see a preview of the image in the Collection Image box. If your image looks off-center or cropped in a way you do not like, consider adjusting the image dimensions outside of Shopify and uploading a revised version. Keeping important text or key details away from the edges can also prevent awkward cropping on different screen sizes. Once everything looks right, click Save to apply the change. This step is important because your upload will not take effect until you save. After saving, your collection now has an image assigned to it, and your theme may display it as a banner on the collection page depending on your theme settings. And that covers everything you need to know.